बेस्ट प्राइस बताओ यार भैया, यार मम्मी के लिए ले रही हो, ऐसा मत करो।
क्या मैंने क्या गोल्ड खरीदा है?
ठीक है भैया, कुछ तो करो यार। ये डेनिम थोड़ी है कि आप 800 बोल रहे हो, ये तो क्रोशे है, ये तो whatever you want, you can get it here, but you have to hunt. Trendy stuff, jewelry, footwear, clothing, everything. So that is why I feel like this is the spot. भैया 450 कर दो।
ऐसे बीपी बढ़ता है।
भैया आपका नहीं, मेरा नहीं, 600 कर दो।
हाँ बोलो।
मैं तो
अरे
200
सब
बोलने
possible
वाली
है।
थी।
So I am back in my hood again, which is at Hill Road, Bandra West, with my fashionista sister, nobody but Rajvi Gandhi. So Rajvi, I'm sure तुमने मेरा नाम तो सुना ही होगा. I am Gaga and welcome to Gully Fashion. Tell me, how can I help you, you gorgeous lady?
I'm very excited to buy things at Hill Road, Bandra, of course, which is one of my favorite shopping place. I'm sure it's yours as well.
Yes, of course. I'm a band, right? Hello.
Yeah. We're excited what we'll get, we'll see.
So you just want to go with the flow.
Yes, of
And
course.
I am pretty sure this is not your first time that you have come to Bandra West to shop.
No.
Okay.
It's my 100th time, I guess.
Wow. So Rajvi, while we are looking for something for you, I really would love to know, how did your journey begin when it came to fashion and content creation?
So for fashion, I would say I had that passion since I was a kid, you know, like dressing up the dolls,
Oh,
like
wow.
the cliche thing.
Okay.
I had that, and then I was like, let me do like a fashion course, get to know about it in detail. So I did like a fashion course, and meanwhile I was also like content creating.
Wow.
You know, and then I got into like proper fashion content creation, and it has been great. I really enjoy experimenting with fashion.
It clearly shows. I mean,
Like styling, you know, doing and creating my own stuff, making some things better. So there's always a vision and I really enjoy. So yeah, I'm just learning and
Wow,
enjoying the
that's
process
great.
of fashion.
that's
yes.
right. That's right. तुम्हें कुछ पसंद आया है फिलहाल यहाँ पे?
No.
I see a lot of colors. I love colorful stuff. I am a
Yeah.
colorful person. I'm sure you are as well. I have seen your Instagram.
Yeah.
The world is watching you. The world has been watching you for so many years. Do you have anything to say for your audience whom you have inspired?
For the audience, I would say so much. I would start with so much, but I'm just glad they're part of the journey and they keep loving my content. That's what I want. That's all I want. So
More love for Rajvi.
yeah.
All right. So when did you last go on street shopping?
Not even a month. I think I was here like 20 days ago.
So I believe you are somewhere from town, but your
Yeah.
heart is stuck in Bandra.
Yeah. It is.
Okay,
and
wow.
these streets, especially.
These streets, okay. So why Bandra? Why not any other street?
You've heard about treasure hunt, right?
Oh,
I
yes.
feel this is like a treasure hunt.
I totally agree.
Whatever you want, you can get it here, but you have to hunt.
Yes, you gotta have patience.
Yeah,
You gotta have
So
patience.
you need to have that hunt wala mehnat and thoda ye karna padega.
Totally.
And you'll get whatever you want. Trendy stuff, jewelry, footwear, clothing, everything. So that is why I feel like this is the spot.
This is the spot. Perfect. Oh, by the way, I am really loving these dresses here. They look pretty Korean. I mean, I love the one in the organza fabric.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure. Like, I hope I'm right. Okay,
Yeah.
if I'm wrong, you gotta correct me
I
because
mean,
you're
no,
a
your
fashion
choice and my choice can be different. So
Yeah.
I like the color. It's so nice.
Do you like anything else, or you have
No, I think my eyes are on
that one?
that one.
भैया आप वो ड्रेस दिखा सकोगे प्लीज मैडम के लिए? ये ऊपर जो है एक ही है
Size
और
आएगा
इनके
मुझे?
size में है size medium and you fit
XS
into
or
small.
S,
हाँ.
yeah.
Oh God.
So
Do you
let's
want to
check
look for
somewhere
something
else.
else? Yeah, let's see
Size
what else.
थोड़ा issue
हाँ,
होगा.
size. I mean that is always an issue with X and XS people.
Yeah. Isn't that
like it?
cute?
It's nice, but it's black. I wouldn't mind if you go for another color. Yeah, that's a different
Yeah,
style
this is a
altogether.
cuter.
So black? I mean, sure. I mean, if you like it, then why not? I love the way it looks already. on
Yeah,
you,
it's
without
cute,
you
no?
trying it. Yeah. So you like this? आप इसका price बता दीजिए. और last price बता दीजिए. Do you wanna do the honors? Because he's
और इसका?
इतना महंगा कब से हो गया भैया बैंड्रा?
हाँ यार.
मतलब यहाँ पे घर महंगे हो गए हैं, गाड़ियाँ महंगी हो गई, लेकिन कपड़े भी महंगे कर दिए आपने. ये तो गलत है.
इससे भी अच्छा ये नहीं है. Like, isn't
Yeah,
this
this is pretty.
this is very
This is
cute,
pretty, yeah,
flowy.
yeah. and we can accessorize it, of course.
Yeah.
That's how it will end up looking more hot and fun.
Yeah.
उनके पूछो ना
भैया
लास्ट
इसका-
प्राइस बता दो
850
वो
भैया,
आप
700 तो
850 बोल
उन्होंने
रहे हैं, वो
बोला
700
हुआ
बोल रहे
है।
हैं। आप लास्ट बोल दो थोड़ा मुस्कुरा के
800,
बोलिए
800
वो 700 बोल रहे
भैया
हैं आप
700
800
तो
बोल रहे
बोल
हैं मतलब
चुके
ये
हैं,
आपका
क्या
मैथ्स
800?
आपको मैथ्स नहीं पता
700 से नीचे बोलना है, इसलिए हम
हाँ।
आपके पास आए इधर, वरना तो उन्होंने बोला है
बोलो नहीं थोड़ा आप कर सकते हो अरे
700 तो वो
उन्होंने-
बोल चुके हैं।
अरे उन्होंने 700 कहा
अरे।
नहीं सर अच्छा
और ये
चलो
भैया कुछ कोड लैंग्वेज में बोल रहा है पीछे
हाँ,
से।
ये उनका है कोड लैंग्वेज तो चलता है
ठीक है भैया कुछ तो करो यार।
अब मैडम उससे कम नहीं कर देता, उसने लास्ट प्राइस ही बताया आपको 850
मैडम 100th टाइम आए हैं बैंड्रा तो
तो
आप थोड़ा
क्या?
आपका मान तो रख
सेल प्राइस मैम हम
चलो दे दो
ठीक है
याद रखूंगी मैं ये शॉप।
शॉप का नाम हाई स्टाइल है, डाल देना
हाँ क्या फायदा आपने बार्गेन तो नहीं किया
तो क्या
हाँ,
क्यों नो हाई स्टाइल कट।
इस शॉप के नाम को म्यूट कर देना
हाँ,
प्लीज
नहीं बताएंगे।
एंड थैंक यू अपने प्लास्टिक्स बैग की जगह पेपर बैग रखे
Yeah.
सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू save the environment as always. Alright, so here is your look one.
Yes.
We'll team it up with some accessories. Now let's hunt for look
2.
I'm really looking at the crochet band also. Yeah, I mean,
Oh
can
yeah.
we just have a look at
yeah.
it? भैया वो आप crochet band दिखा दोगे वो जो
Even the one below it, that is also nice.
the blingy one?
Yeah.
crochet भैया आप ही बेच रहे हो ना crochet band आपको ही पता नहीं
हाँ वो ग्रीन कलर का। हाँ
हाँ oh that's girl. So I think you are pretty much liking my taste.
yeah.
oh god.
It's actually
Fucking hot.
cool.
इसमें और कलर्स है कि एक ही पीस बचा था? Honestly, it's a buy.
कितने का है भैया?
ये आएगा 850
ऐसे आंख बंद करके क्यों बोल रहे हो? मतलब
हाँ।
बोल दो ना कॉन्फिडेंटली थोड़ा लास्ट प्राइस कर दो
वो पैंट भी बताओ ना भैया ब्लैक वाला, वो रिंग्स वाला।
ओह
मे बी।
either this or that if at all
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत कॉमन हो गया
हाँ ये तो actually
मतलब
common
I
हो
am
गया
done
है।
with
That
it
is so
I don't
true.
even want to look at it but I honestly I mean this is something that I think you should
Are you sure about the
probably
color?
have it in your wardrobe
It is actually cool.
yeah and you
Let
could
me
wear it
see.
with a tank top
Let me see. Let me
or
see.
something
We can go for it.
है ना no but is your heart wanting
No, I like. I'm not sure about the color.
now it's your
Cool
turn
तो है।
try your
भैया
magic
बेस्ट प्राइस बताओ यार। ये डेनिम थोड़ी है कि आप 800 बोल रहे हो, ये तो क्रोशे है, ये तो कितना सस्ता मटेरियल है।
आप यहाँ देख भी नहीं रहे हो यार
नहीं, 800 तो-
आपको
800 तो ज्यादा लग रहा है मुझे।
प्लीज बता दो क्या नाम है उनका
800 कर दिया हूं फाइनल को बता दे साहब हुसैन खान यासी
खान जी
भैया ये डेनिम नहीं है तो आपको
इसका प्राइस बताएंगे तो ज्यादा हो जाएगा
इसका तो कम होना
अरे
चाहिए।
अरे सूखने में भी टाइम जाता है डेनिम तो जल्दी सूखता है you think you can go a little less
हाँ like 6।
मेरा तो वापस यहाँ आना
मैं
होगा
अभी तो आके लेके गई थी तो
वो आते हैं वो ब्लॉक करते हैं
हाँ।
हम भी आते हैं हम भी ब्लॉक
मेरी
करते
फ्रेंड
हैं
अभी ग्रीस से आई थी, उसको भी यहाँ
हाँ,
लेके आई हूँ। बताओ भैया कुछ नहीं कुछ कर लो, ये परिचित हूँ। आपका नहीं मेरा नहीं 600 कर दो भैया, मेरा मान रख लो। 650
आप पैसे मतलब लेके जाओ आपके लिए, लेकिन रेट यही है।
कर रहे हो 650?
हाँ कर दीजिए।
कितने पड़ा
650।
wow so आपने 50 rupees कम किए
Yeah.
I mean that's not bad that's a big
Yeah,
deal for us
yeah.
so congratulations so
Thank you, yeah.
our look 2 is almost ready
Yeah.
अब हमारा
Little-
बचा है something for
For the top and
It could-
accessories.
yeah, accessories तो हो जाएगा I
हाँ,
think we know
वो
where we
तो
have to
हाँ,
go and
yeah,
buy
yeah.
it from
अभी ना क्यूट सा टॉप चाहिए इसके लिए। I take all of these baby tees from your.
so you are more of a crop top girl
Yeah.
how many crop tops do you have
I have a lot.
wow so probably you must have worn just one each once
Maybe. ज़्यादातर यहीं से लिए हुए मैंने. The
Uh-huh.
fact that, but I don't think these styles would go with our pants.
the crochet ones
Yeah.
you know whenever I don't find what I want especially with my guests
Yeah.
मेरे दिमाग में बस एक ही चीज आती है आज हम सरोजनी के होते
Oh my God.
है ना
Yeah. Cute है, but हमारे पैंट के साथ नहीं जा रहे.
ये पैंट ने तो हमें बड़ा टास्क दे दिया है
हाँ यार.
which one
It's big यार.
हाँ it's big I wish it was a little shorter oh it's cute nice
Yeah.
I mean, better than a basic crop top
Yeah, it's giving corset look.
yeah
कितने का है भैया? 400. या भैया ये तो बेसिक है. नहीं और
नहीं उन्होंने
कम
बोला ना
करो.
बेसिक है
और ये कांच को छुपा क्यों दिया है?
हाँ say basic 3-4 times
टूट गया है अच्छा
Play
बेसिक
your face card.
करो भैया इसका
Do your
कुछ
trick.
लास्ट पक्का
अच्छा चलो आप उनका आपने लास्ट बोला, मेरा लास्ट तो बता दो। हाँ ये राजवी का प्राइस था, अभी गागा वाला प्राइस पे आ जाओ। चलो 250। हाँ बोलो।
मैं तो
अरे
200
सब
बोलने
possible
वाली
है।
थी
देखो
250
देखो फिर भी मैंने 50 रुपए का मान रखा है
भैया
आपका।
कुछ फ्रेश भी नहीं है देखो आप
उसको तो मुझे ड्राई क्लीन भी करना
तो-
पड़ेगा, इतना धूल वूल था आपने झटका मारा।
साइज भी पता नहीं फिट होगा कि नहीं
I am just saying 250. This is also pretty.
या नो
But let me ask you, as a fashion content creator, I really have to ask you this question.
Mm-hmm.
So tell me one fashion trend that you really like and something that you really dislike.
dislike I have my answer ready
Wow. And what is this?
skinny jeans
Oh, you hate skinny jeans. Yeah, it's very 2016.
like look at me look at what
हाँ.
I'm wearing
So baggy.
yeah and trend I like I'm seeing those looks where they're creating like a very sexy corseted sari look
Wow.
which looks like a fusion couture look so
Very Indo-Western.
yeah our traditional sari but then you wear it in a certain way you drape it in a certain way where it looks very fashionable and I'm obsessed with that right now
Wow, I like it.
yeah
Wow.
I don't know if it's a
interesting.
trend but I've seen reels
All right, but that's what you like.
yeah
Wow, that's
yeah
nice. Really sweet. Thank you.
भैया यार मम्मी के लिए ले रही हो ऐसा मत करो कुछ कर दो 400 कर दो 450
500 लास्ट
Now he
भैया
is giving
450
up
कर
on
दो
लास्ट है उसे कम कर
ठीक है भैया इट्स क्यूट आई विल टेक इट फॉर हर
Kafia collection has saved your look too. अभी हमारा बचा है, that is just jewelry.
Jewelry.
And we will style you up.
my
Okay?
favorite part
All right,
let's go
यहाँ आके मेरा प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि मुझे सब चीजें पसंद आती है, बट आपका बड़ा मगरमच्छ जैसा मुंह.
Yeah,
So what are we
so
looking for, the
good
corset
for-
one or the black?
we can make the crochet pants more of beachy vibe
Okay.
भैया ये सारा ले लो
आप पैसे भी उतना ही मांगेंगे भैया.
ऐसा बहुत है
Okay, I think we should do this.
for the pants
For the pants?
yeah what do you think
Yeah. Oh yes.
so we also found one more I'm confused now for the pants
But I feel now this.
है ना it's
Let's
giving
just add some color because it is so basic.
yeah
तो थोड़ा pop
actually now we can look for gold
for the black dress.
something like
That's also pretty for the black outfit.
the black.
Yes. We can actually go for that. Yeah.
should I
और अब मैं कराइए
yeah हमने स्टोर को ब्लॉक कर दिया nobody से
It's
पूछूंगा
okay. Good only. Good for us.
good only yeah
मेरा दिल तो उस वाले पे आ गया है. But meantime, if you still want to look for anything,
imagine this on a black dress
let me try it on. मुझे तो ये पसंद आ गया.
yeah
I mean, this is nice. But do you want to do any bracelet?
I think we should look for stacks
मैडम की स्टोरेज महंगी है राजवी मैडम
He knows you very well.
yeah
Honestly, this and that looks nice
Yeah.
together.
जैसे वो है white transparent
हाँ, ट्रांसपेरेंट तो वहाँ पर भी है देखो.
yeah I have transparent
और कैसे दिए आपने ये वाले?
भैया ये कितने वाले हैं
Cute, but not your aesthetic. तो हमने ऑलरेडी इतनी सारी चीजें रखी है टेबल पे. ओके, अब आती है आपकी बारी. ऐसे बीपी बढ़ता है. इतना क्या कर रहे हो आप?
हो गया 2920
क्या मैंने क्या गोल्ड खरीदा है?
भैया हमारे
Minus
पास
करना
बजट
होगा.
है बजट में ही लेना है और ये तो क्या है ये 800 रुपए की इयरिंग
ये आप
होती है
ये आप पॉकेट में डाल दोगे, आप आधा
पर
प्राइस इतना
अभी-
है ही नहीं है. नहीं, फिर आप इसको रख दो आप.
वहाँ पे सस्ते वाले तुम सस्ते वाले देखते
हाँ
हैं
ठीक है, चलो we'll look for
हाँ?
it. हाँ.
अरे
कम किया ना 2500
आप ज्यादा भाव कर रहे हो. 2 कैमरा
कैमरा
लेके
देख के।
इसलिए.
नहीं ये मैडम कैमरा तो आ जाए रोज मैडम तो हमेशा आते हैं क्या
Then we will see something वहाँ से स्टैक में से.
हाँ यहाँ से ले लेते हैं ना
हाँ. ठीक है, चलो अब टोटल बता दो भैया.
भैया इधर आओ ना
आप
इसका आप एक मिनट इसका आप क्या गिन रहे हो दोनों का
1100 पकड़ा
नहीं यार कोई कम करो इसका नहीं इसका 800 गिनो और इसका 300
ये नहीं है ये 125 130 घर पे पड़ता है मैडम.
भैया
आपके लिए किया था मैंने लास्ट
भैया वो दे दो 5 चलो
कुछ नहीं, अभी बस इसके बाद पता नहीं हम आएंगे कि नहीं. कट्टी आपसे. हाँ. वैसे राजवी इन भैया से तो मैंने कर ली है परमानेंटली कट्टी, because हम चले गए हैं over the budget
Yeah.
and we have hardly spent anything. we've hardly
We got,
purchased
yeah,
anything for which we have spent over and above our budget, which is a very sad thing. But
Over and above नहीं थोड़ा सा.
नहीं मेरे लिए over and above था because my producer is going to pull my neck for sure. But what matters the most is that you are happy and I can't wait to style you and let's see how this goes. So let's leave from here.
Let's go, let's go.
Wow. So it was fun, but yet a very hectic shopping day.
Oh yeah.
Don't know from where to begin, but probably with this black dress.
Oh yeah, my
है ना?
favorite.
So we got this black dress first, which was for 700 tha.
I guess.
Okay, so we got this for 700 rupees. Then we got this crop top,
Yeah.
which was for
250.
250, and that was great.
Yeah.
So then we got this beautiful crochet pants.
650. Oh, it was 650. Yeah. 650.
Okay, all right. I have never spent more than 30 minutes shopping jewelry ever in my entire life. This was the most hectic
Yeah.
and challenging part for both of us.
Yeah.
A very stubborn shopkeeper जिसने हमें ये 3 accessories दिए हैं for 1500 rupees, but I also wanted to make sure that you feel happy. And since you wanted these, तुम्हारा दिल आ गया था इन jewelries पे, so we had to buy them. So I can't wait to see you get styled in street shopping, styled by Gaga. So let's make this
go.
happen.
Yeah, I'm excited.